pass me the ball. He never passed me the ball. Kobe passed me the ball.
What up, guys? I'm back with another video. If y'all can't tell by today's title, I'm about to be making some custom jeans for another one. This time I'll be using the sewing machine. Yeah, so let me show y'all the materials that I got and all this stuff, and then I'm gonna explain it in a second. I'm about to be attempting to make these pants. They're made by Who Decides War, something like that. That's the brand. They like 300 or something like that for the jeans. This video is inspired by Julius. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Yeah, I be watching him like on my free time. I'm about to try it for myself because I actually like the pants, but I'm not gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna just do something a little bit different. So yeah, anyways, that's enough. So I got these pants from Walmart for a cool $12. If y'all ever want to make y'all own stuff, if y'all ever want to make y'all own pants or whatever, go to Walmart. They got the George brand for like $12. Alright, maybe not. They jeans is a little bit darker, but I feel like it'll be alright. I'm gonna still do the bleaching and all that. Then on top of that, we had to get some thermal pants. We had to get some thermal pants. I found these at Walmart. It was kind of hard finding these, not gonna lie, cause you know it's getting hot outside. So that part, and then I got these markers because at first I was gonna dye like the thermal pants and stuff. But yeah, hopefully these turn out good because I want to use these for a fit pick. You already know what I'm saying, like, you know, pants by me. And also, I'm going to be using my tool again. I'm also going to be using this tool again for the holes in the pants. But I'm going to sketch out where I want the holes at and stuff. I'm looking at the picture, so yeah. I think I'm going to take all this downstairs, so let's go. Don't mind the outfit, man.
Got a crib in every state. Man on the moon, got a kind of wider space. Open up your legs, tell me how it tastes. And them niggas talking shit, so tell it to my face. Tell that bitch, hop up on my dick. Rolled up on it quick, in the 6. Told her suck a dick, motorboat her ticks. I'm the shit, niggas mad, cause I'm smooth puffin' zigzag. Tell them quit the riff rap, bitchin' with your bitch.
I know you wanna bite this. It's so enticing. Nothing else like this. I'ma make you come and put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it.
Alright, I got the pants. You know, y'all can barely see, but I can see it a little bit. Good enough. I'm about to go outside and I'm about to get the drill in, bro. I'm actually excited because I've been wanting to make these pants for a while now. I need a cardboard box and that's about it. I'm about to go outside, about to do this, and yeah, I'm about to show y'all. Y'all just gonna come along, you know?
Know what the fuck going on, man. 630 gang, nigga. You know how the fuck we rockin' it. Hey, get caught hanging with the ops, and you gon' get your ass smoked. Get caught like in the ops post, we put you in that same boat. I can get your cuz in the back door. Fuck you think this fame for? We the type to pop out on you in the wig and raincoat. I'm with all them killers thuggin'. Hit the city, I'm in a hot car. I'm with all my niggas buggin'.
So far, right now I'm on TikTok live with it. We on the back side of the first leg. Let me show y'all the first leg. This is what we looking like. I'm thinking like rip these parts out because it need to be a hole, but I don't like how it looks so fat. Like I just cut it myself right here. So yeah. I like how these straggle these, but I know a lot of these gonna come out when I gotta pull it apart and stuff. So yeah, now we on the back part. This brick got all this dirt on it, but it's all good because we got to throw these in the washing machine with some bleach. After, I think I'm gonna bleach it after. Yeah, I'm gonna bleach it after, and then that's when we're gonna get the sewing and coloring and all that. Yeah, another thing, if y'all know how to use this, can y'all like show me? Cause bro, every single time it gets pulled out, it's kind of annoying. It's stopping up the process a little bit, but as of right now, it is 4:47, and yeah, we got some ways to go. So yeah, man, hopefully we be done in like the next 20 minutes. So I can get with the bleaching process. I'm gonna show y'all that, and yeah.
Niggas, he call his cousins, run that bitch, they ass down. All the guns and change the cops, I got the city, ain't none mine. I took shit on the chin 3 different times, so stop all that crime. We put out the ass, we spanking shit, y'all still act like y'all look sleazy vibes. What's the name, got hit in his shit, he called for help. He ain't do it, but still said fuck him, so he did that to himself. Block too high, we can't post up, we get the hanging down on well. In the rack, action streets, I'm bigger than Yeezy, I'm the GOAT. Ain't no G's, we catch and squeeze before the keys get in the dough. Smiley with me, he spin it 3 times, even though my boy a foe. Ops die, we don't brag no more, we get the yell and go.
We're 75% done. We got this leg done. This part, you see what I'm saying? I'm getting irritated with this tool, bro. Not gonna lie. If the pieces keep falling out, I don't know. I feel like all this could be done on the seam ripper. I mean, done with a seam ripper, but I guess, you know. But, yeah, that's where we at right now. I took the pockets to make sure they was inside out, so that way, you know, I don't rip a hole in the pocket. And, yeah, man. We're almost done, though. And, got one. I scribbled out one of the circles. I did. Okay, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's it. We're done. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. We're done. Because honestly, I'm tired of even being out here. I'm sneezing. But, you know, this is what the back look like. Yeah, I'm going to finish off today with the bleach because I got to wash the pants. And this is going to be a lot. So, like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Sheluvstyler. But I'm done with the pants or whatever. I'm geek, bro. Alright, now I'm about to go inside the house after I, like, dust myself off. Because I got, like, all this stuff, like, on the socks. You see what I'm saying? All this stuff just everywhere. I gotta sneeze too. So yeah, I definitely recommend a face mask if y'all do this. But you know, shake them off. This SD card almost full, but I'm about to, you know, pop these seams at the bottom. All right, so we got the first leg undone. It's been like some minutes. I'm not gonna lie, this took me a while. Now I'm just about to get onto this leg, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna leave some strings up here. I'm gonna just leave it like this, so that way it's a hole in there, so that way you can see the whatchamacallit. And then I'm gonna have to come back to this and like pull all of this blue stuff out of it, so that way it's only the strings. You could do it with tweezers, or you could do it by hand. I'm gonna be back when I'm finished this whole pant leg. This is the end of day 1. Alright, y'all, today's day 2. Don't mind my hair. Yeah. But today is Wednesday. I started this yesterday. We're nowhere close to being halfway done with the ripping the strings out. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And hopefully I can bleach later. Like, didn't pay attention on the YouTube video. He said that it took him 8 hours to do this process, so, bro, alright. These are the jeans. I only did this first leg. I still got to do this hole and then do the back. So, yeah. Y'all just gonna see.
Close to me, you head up the fleet. I make a kill and I rap on the beat. On my content repeated, massaging the seats. All of the hating that made me a beast. Be with the ladies, no tap on the beat. Lose told maybe get cause a coupon. Get rich and don't go broke, and that is an order. Might need me a speedball, I got all this water. Might take me a free go, I go cross the border. She came with a D throwing one on the swallow. My niggas is lethal and we all immortal. Might go back to polo and ride all these horses. I spent 50,000 on all white Air Force. I made like 5 million, that's just on the door. No way, I'ma start this recording. On how this sedated and floating like Jordan. Beach chest that it clear and no way to avoid. My jeans about feel, but it's drip worth a fortune. No nigga I fear, I ain't go for extortion. Hop on the leader, the cup what I bought it.
Y'all, it's much later. It is 7:27. I've been doing this for like the whole time, and now we finally on the back part. We 50% done with this part, so yeah, I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm done the whole thing. And yeah, man. All right, man. So we finished. I finished at 8:40. It's been some hours. So I went to go eat, but yeah, this is what we looking like all the way on the front to back. Yeah, if you got bad allergies, this is not for you, bro. Like, bro, my throat is like itching so bad. But I guess I'm gonna bleach tomorrow, do all that tomorrow. So that's it for day 2. I guess it'll be a 3-day process. All right, we downstairs. We got the bleach. We got a little cup. This is the only paintbrush I could find, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour the bleach in this. On the picture, it's just a whole bunch of like twiggy lines. So I'm gonna just scrunch it up and do like the high points of the pants. And yeah.
Buzz in the back door. Fuck you think this fame for? We the type to pop out when you in the wig and raincoat. I'm with all them killers thugging. Hit the city, I'm in a hot car. I'm with all my niggas bugging. Auntie call my phone through Facebook, tell me squats it with my cousin. This is so deep right now, I can't tell my killers ass in public, nigga. That's on my brother. I don't like them niggas, they don't like my niggas. And I'm too rich to be fighting them niggas. He was talking shit, caught him on the 9. He go, yo, diaper, nigga. You ain't into a gang for real, you on your own pipeline, nigga. So broke ass, nigga. We ain't tolerate no fake ops. They can't post up in they hood, they call somebody else shit, they block. Free Lionel is 600. Only one I
just took them out the dryer. It's what the bleach look like. I just wish I dilated the bleach, but it's whatever, you know. But now I'm about to take the seams apart so that way I can start to sew the long johns in here. And yeah, man.
She bout to fly me no wings. She bout to take me no wings. Nigga can't even see me on wings. She bout to fly me no wings. She bout to fly me no wings. She bout to fly, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. I'm his ass with a gun on my ass. So I can't know that I can't. I know it's walking on shit, turn it up with not gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a make sure she good. Parking 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the sword. Grow hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bright in my chain. Yeah, my dope in the bush. Dope in the bush. I know how to bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. Dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Yeah. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the thousand. I got that junkie a blast. I said that dope to mama. Out on the street like the mama. You rats will never be on the roof. They know I'm the kid of my word. I hustle the first to the first. These bitches be nagging the kid. They get them up from the nerves. I saw the arrest and they I'm smoking that pack.
Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching. You know what I'm saying? This is not my best customs. This is not my best editing. I just feel like I could do a lot better. But, you know, I had to get the video out there. I do like the pants, but, like, they just not how the other pants are. So, yeah. Besides that, I give this whole project, like, an 8 out of 10. This was a good learning experience and all that. This is my first time ever using my sewing machine, like, for real. So, yeah. I'm gonna be having a lot more YouTube videos coming out pretty soon. You know, summertime is exactly 2 weeks from the day I post this video. So, yeah. But without further ado, I'm gonna stop holding y'all up. I'm gonna just say thank y'all guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Sheluvstyler. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.
With my baby, some echo. I'm single and shit, now she lashing on me. I told him I'm back, I'm about you. I get focused on millions and everything. I just took me a trip out to Africa. See how we came from the mud and the bottom.